Hello, welcome back. Let's cook some pancakes. So you'll start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then you mix them together. Ensure they are well mixed. Then you make a well in the middle and pour in your milk. You'll need 1 full cup of milk, but you can use water in place of milk if you're not a fan of milk, or you can use half water, half milk. Then you mix them well. Some people prefer to use eggs. I personally don't like eggs on my pancakes because of the taste, but you can decide to use egg. If you decide to use an egg, make sure you use only 1 egg for this amount of ingredients that I've shown you. So mix them well until they are smooth. There are also people who prefer to add in vanilla essence. Others prefer to add in cinnamon. Just do what works well for you. I think they are now well mixed. We'll go ahead and cook them. For your pancakes, you can use cooking oil, cooking fat, or butter. So you give it time for it to get hot. Then you put in your mixture. I like using this spoon so that all my pancakes will be the same size. You'll wait until your pancakes start developing this. You see the bubbles on top of it. I think it's now ready. I'm going to turn it slowly and carefully. Then you apply a bit of butter on the other side. Keep regulating your heat to ensure it's well cooked and it's not burnt. Now pancake is ready. And you cook the next one. Wait for the bubbles, then you turn it. now ready, and it's full. I shall now I'll keep cooking the rest, then I show you the final product. Our pancakes are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you'd like to see me cook in the next videos.